Chakabia.
Mare Angonia. And come in so we are so good. And you're good in Kwao. I mean, baby.
Rabbit videos present tribal what?
I don't know the meaning of all this tribalism.
Udikuru. What judge what you need? My brother no me a brutosia. How can you tell a whole Udikuru that a Koshasham? True. Meeting from people mama comfort DBD. Gruma for funny. Get kill you. No more coin motonga. Butter.
Owusu's next to Efo's residence, he runs away with Enyo to the city. They find life very difficult, but they finally succeed. They return to the village, but the two families would not tolerate them.
Oh, Papa! I don't want to see your face.
Starring Mauli Semevo, Michael Afrani, Okuchumasi, Bro Mary, and introducing Ethel Goka. Marketed produced by Miracle from Super Squad, Rabbit Videos Adom Kumasi, Taka the Ando Wasi.
It's time for another movie experience. True friendship comes center stage. Miracle felt in another outing with Downfall Power. A mixed grill of emotions, bitter and sweet. He is passionate about his daughter. She's cold. This jilted lover refuses to give up.
What's up, anime? Huh? My Bruce went to.
If this boy want to Simon, me I go lick him down.
The battle line is dry. Downfall Power. Things fall apart. A secret welcome now exploded. A betrayal of friendship. Now they all have to die. Downfall Power. Marketed and distributed by Miracle Films, Opera Square Accra, and ADOM Kumasi. Downfall Power. Don't watch this movie if you have betrayed a friend. Video clubs, stay off.
do I? Haven't I warned you not to set foot on this land again? Haven't I?
Please, Ejesiama, I beg you to exercise restraint. You know, this land is the only land my late father left behind. So if you take this land from me, my family and I are going to starve.
I don't care. I don't care whether your entire family are going to sink or die or fly. I don't care. Hey, your hopeless, useless father should have known better before selling the land to me. He did it.
Eja, with all due respect, I wouldn't have you insult my father. My father was not as hopeless as you want to portray him. He was a hard-working man. Besides, he paid all your money back. It is only left with the interest. But with that, give me some time. I will work and pay.
Hey, your father laid with his back, facing the sun. He couldn't pay the money. And you, lying down with your stomach on the ground, you can pay the money. Let me warn you, for good, never step on this land again. But if you want moja, kokonu, if you want it, come again. Come to this land again. Foolish.
What is it? Why are you home so early? Tell me, what is it? Huh? Tell me.
Ejesiama again. He came to the farm to threaten me. Hey, the man really mean business this time. I don't know what to do now. Oh.
What at all that this man wants from us? With all this land at his disposal, he wants to take the only piece of land that feeds us. Huh? This is sheer greediness and wickedness.
You are right. But if this man takes this land from us, I'm afraid the worst must happen to us.
Mira, come at home. As a last resort, let's go and talk to Ejakun. Maybe he will understand.
A drowning man will hold on to the straw. It is the only hope we have now. So that's a good idea. We shall go and see him. Hey, Ejama ho.
Piafo.
Hey, ukoko idi afiabo.
Eyamina we ade na nadum.
Eja, me ba won chen kakra.
Sir. Yes.
Eja, you see, when my father was alive, he took some loan from Openyi Esiama. And he used his only piece of land as a guarantee. But according to the terms of the contract, my father used almost all his life servicing the loan, which is about 3 times more than the amount he took. Now, Openye Siama is claiming the land. But my problem is that if he is to take this land, it means that my family and I are going to starve to death. Agent, that is why I've come to see you, so that you can do something about it.
All right. My son.
Aja.
Don't lose heart.
Okay.
Okay. You know, I'm busy now. I'll come to you so that we go to see him together.
All right, sir. All right. Then I'll take my leave now.
Okay.
I'll be expecting you.
Oh, I will come by all means.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say hello to your wife for me.
I will.
So that you allow him to work on the land to enable him pay the rest of the money. After all, if you cut off your tongue and eat, you haven't eaten anything.
I'm sorry. You are saying this. I respect you a lot. So I don't expect you to get involved in an issue like this. I've made my intentions clear to him. If you want to help him, then advise him not to set foot on the land. But if he does, anyway, I don't want to say what I want to say.
I just say, man. One some, any nipa. Eh? This boy could be your son.
Is he my son? Is he my son? Is he Kwame Nti? I'm asking you, tell me. Akom, if you are hungry, better go to your wife and forget about this. I have better things to think about. Don't waste. Leave me. Come on. Leave me alone. Please, for what? Don't go there.
I beg you.
Leave me. Leave me. Come on.
Go there. Let's go. Let's go. It's all right. Let's go.
Please. I'm woo. Are you coming to?
Yeah, proper than crowd of rain. See, Hannah, Assassinana.
Kodia, I think it would be a good idea if you stay out of the land. That animal has done it before. He can easily terminate your life. But you don't know what tomorrow holds for you.
Eja, you are right. But how do we survive?
Don't worry, Kodia. Don't worry. I have a piece of land which I don't need now. You can have it until you are able to acquire your own land. But please, don't set your foot on that land again. Do you understand?
I do, Eja. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Hey, that man. You are a small boy. You are a small boy.
People in Timor, this
yes. Timor, yeah.
ye. Dundun ye. Kaba.
Asemba badebi oh. Asem kesi ba fan kesi so. Yeah, proper den crowd be rain. Sikana asasiana ahunyana wenina sewa yamfanko.
What's up, papa? No, let's play the chess and money now. And then see you never to phone. You can go to the high. Simple. You never go for yourself. You take to one point.
Who are you going in the gear and the cutlass?
To the farm, of course. Where else?
We talked about this yesterday. Huh?
Yes. But upon the second thought, I cannot sit down, recoil into my shells, and let this man have his own way. I must fight him. He can have the land. But for the crops on the land, they are mine.
Kodue, ewa musa. Nanso wiasim so betimi wa. Owura wo ka wa fa wa beti. Eya dani a papa de ne ka. What are you going to fight him with? Your teeth or your nails? Kodua, that man is a devil incarnate. He has 2 incidents to his credit already. And I don't want to lose you. I don't want you to be his next victim. Please.
I'm desperate and confused. I simply can't see you go hungry. Can't you understand?
Kodua, I can afford to lose the food, but not you. Please. Kodua, I'm on my knees. Please. do something stupid. I need you. Look at me. Please, look at me. Please stop, I need you. Please, don't go. So you are not going?
All right, I'll go.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Mwano. So when you me, I'm be near. I'm the punch on time. Mwano, let's go. Go and put the glass.
Ya wuka biya abawo na emum Kofi asiedu eni brago a wo so wo ka wo mo abom se wo yiri ni kunu madwe ye minya na mpese me kire nyina ne se Kofi asiedu wo ye wo faase brago so ye wo ba ese ndan wutimi kan ye bom se wo kunu ne yire
amamre kwaso no emfum bie ni so ena me pese me de brago dotopa bi ehya ase se da nkwa ma me ni ho a ebehwe ni ya ma me Kofi asiedu eye mo faase eni brago so yemba se me ni ho a Kofi asiedu na edimade so so no edimade ni wo ware me ba just any man in our Fikroma ya and Cobebia. Son of Bessabia.
Mirani, I walk on. Fane Matthias here. The Kofi do your waffle, Brago so your back. Ye do of a dear. To what Japadi in our could you Kofi do what? The Bragons so, no shame be. Name Mum, Kai, or Penny Pukunsway. Oh, open your book, some day now, me, I walk up cry and emissary. One was that old day. Oh, good a jamam, me, I'm in Becca. Obe kai se openi poku waji ni sika fie nwotwe o so do ba be mana ware isisi wo yende
me se wo de ja ho asema ono no oni me ne sika ye so entimi de me oba me kwara ni mra me ne beka we me bibia hawo
mate
asem no eba na waka sisi ya no se me frɛ kwara nam ka kire ho na fi o mo wa no mo hu se wofa ne mam ya pene so Brago papa Frank Kofi asiedu ma wo
he's working at the backyard
friend and number
Kofi Papa is calling you
Brago it's about a year since you had your puberty right. Your mother and I have been looking for a suitable partner for you. But luckily enough, Kofi asiedu is here. I want to give you to him. You know, Kofi asiedu will inherit me when I'm no more. So if that happens, he will take good care of you. Okay?
Mommy, I don't know how to be a wife.
Kwakuma to yem. Mechiro bibia. Kwakuma to yem.
Uncle, if I marry her, does it mean I have to sleep with her?
David, Bokahidi, ne fanoswa, na de nenam. Said your church.
I mean, I will feel shy. I can't.
Smith Moga. Few are going to go to her. You may dear Woody and so.
Akwe we pa. Beka se sura Canada. Ukwa fani hechire, ne fan to match chire. E fan nanti dem ho. Madi enche.
Ebra go mko ye dem ho.
Wo chire.
Froko. Yes. Mko.
Okre yi. Wo fa.
Koko na ko ye dem ho ye no. E ja di.
Akwe di wa jimi ye. Beka se sura Canada.
Aka wo de ne.
Ya fa ne hechire. Na de na nante dem. Nana. Ba nka njire no miwura. Okọ chechire no ampo. Ni mu be ya ne ya.
Be chire no.
Miwura. Akwa die wo mere de.
Obeye di no, obeye di beto mre bi no ya den.
Ti be ye.
Obeye den. Iri ti awotre.
Miwura we die.
Be ye. Man bibia hawo.
Be ye ni.
Be ye.
Die, wada me do.
Hey, no.
Kofi, what has come over you today? You seem so happy.
Kwame, very soon I'm going to be a man.
Who told you are a woman?
I mean, I'm going to be a real man. I'm going to get married soon.
Are you sure? So who is this woman?
Look, my uncle called us yesterday. And he said he's going to put Braco and me together as man and wife.
But do you think you are ready to marry?
I think so. My uncle said he will help me.
But do you love that woman, or you are just giving in to your uncle's pressure?
Kwame, you and I know that Brago is the most ideal woman among her age mates. I think I really love her.
Well, time will tell. Look, we are late. Let's move.
Coming, I'll be back in no time.
Papa.
Yes.
May I talk to you?
Come on, come over. Have it safe.
Papa.
Hello.
I want to get married.
What are you talking about?
I want to be a man. A real man. Just like my friend.
Which of your friends?
Kofias Yedu. He's getting married to Brago, his uncle's daughter.
Who told you this?
Kofias Yedu himself.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa, I'm sure. Papa, you look worried. What is the matter?
Oh, nothing. It's just about your marriage. I'll talk to your mother and see what we can do about it. By the way, have you anybody in mind?
No, Papa.
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. We shall see what we can do. Rest assured, okay?
All right, Papa. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll be back in no time.
Okay, Papa.
Ago! Hey, Asiama! Yeah. Oh! Asiama! Hey!
Yeah, many. You watch your papa.
Yeah.
Nyamacha. Bra. Oh! Yeah. Fans have full brother, but say,
you're the dear. Oh!
Oh, yes, your man.
Hey! Yazi. Aboa. Misa can be yo.
That's your man.
Yeah.
I had your vocal. No frequency now.
Opoku, there is no need for us to beat about the bush. We have to call the spade a spade. There are rumors in this village. And since where there is smoke, there is fire. There is some truth in every rumor. And if that is the case, then I should say that injustice is being done somewhere. It's all about Brago, Akom's daughter.
Oh, yeah, I can't say.
Opoku, if you are not careful, your cutlass will be used to dissect the python. Akom wants to give his daughter to someone else.
Yeka nipa ti mu ye sum. Ebo yeka nipa ti mu edin. Nipa no ba ne prasen yo bi mu ano asasisi.
Enti sabi ya
asasisi onya honko.
Esiama, obeye me dance ni.
Okay.
Me koma ko ye bibia. Hey. Me na kompa so de me sika adwa nanka. Hwe. Oh, the bachi abongum. Hey. Hey, emre no so a. Baba befro. No akogya me.
Okay. I'll definitely come.
Before say. The biasemti. And ye did a kwa. Ye bobo na ho. Hey, emre no so pepepe. Baba befro. No akogya me.
Yo.
Hey. Onwako. Hey. Akom.
The same.
Yo. And then me so me go ja kwa na fa trete ma po. Hey, esiama. Wonde ni aje. Abra fu so tames.
Yeah, old time.
Okay, na dio.
Yo.
Me da kwa ba. Yaja.
Ingwa ma kwa bo.
Yeah, benfo si enimzi ebusa. Wie.
Ayo. Jakom. Enso ba ya boko. Ebi jemu a. Be ye efie nwotwe atwam ni. Me no bedi enkomo bi. Fa obaba no brago. Ede sabi hu amamre kwanso. Be si na siwa se onyia maware no. Ede mani atofo ma hu se abofra no wabere. No waso. Ke we duru bra se ware. Ti se ne me nso mi di kan no kan no. Afa na me ba na mabɛhyɛ no amu nti mensa kɛsie ni na sika ka ho ɛna me de ba mabɛfa brago de na akɔ aware no mo akɔyɛ ɔba me yiro to so enso
yo ama yesempa
ya
awie opanyin poku amza sema wo kan de ni nyina wom ye wo kan nyina no kure mfie nwotwe ne wo baaye na ese de to hu ne se mfie nwotwe ni ma bebre akoso nsakra pi aba so ana ka kun so ye gifri kokko no nu enti akoda no na mefre na aba na obekire na dwen san se no waye oba otimi eka na dwen na dwen so yesu yefa na fe se kwa wo ho se meje nsan no na fe ni maje na yiye bia so ato yiye brago papa Bra. I'm say a bayan fie watchini and I japoku all my way. A cockray. Oba say, or nano betroso. Na winyina oh wow. And just a few of it is Ukrainensa. Aba. So the bayon hand and what the wako. Now, Cotona Yiramaso and son. Na Sabi. Obi nsi trodo matwa so enti esei be se hu se menyi nsa no ana menye den
Papa, I don't love him.
Yeah, any koi. Na ko try juma wudi na so.
Thank you, Papa.
Uncle, you can't do that to us. Why that? And you can't do that. You can't do that. You're not okay. My day. Akoda isi wompe no. Awo when I can't try so cancer. And no be yes sir. Just yama. Na just yama say wo yire no me e say back up. Awo abi kan wa kanye. Onya wa asem. Wo yire wadanfu yi. Ne yire no pop nsia. Otimi koto sonson. Na me no aye esese hu se ka ye manakura.
Akom. Menya kwasia no adi me hu agoro wate. Ene menyimi. Na asam na wokan. Dwenhu ye bio. Dwenhu bio. Asa no amamuaye. Papa.
Eje poko. E pa uche. Esese akoda no na dweno kae no. Yesu edi buo ma na dwene no kura. So no kae ka eboa wo.
Baga just mabele.
We on the paponi. So we on the paponi. Enti em say o we so che ase.
Eja pokui. Empenifo se obrane ye mo ne bede. Akolai oso onware wa kura kwa wiri no nsia. Tell baby e. Akola we kura wa na wo be ho nu kraso an. Ene wahu. The men sia de na akola aketo akoka ho nso. So mo akora esoso na dai eso che. Ti so so mpe wa. Ti ase ma no.
Esa fansa na akombe hu obehu asase
mo ba kwa oye oni pa
me na be ayasa
wo oni pa obehu misro
okay oni pa wo
Wait me there. Wa so ahu na so ntime je kire no ma.
Enum da. Wa ga sado zina dai. Wona nti odi kokura. Unni ho awere wo. Ya re pe ba wa de. Na no na ye die asem na esi.
Ne mere esi.
Na obi ba ofie no ahwe ye obi nyama na ka se hwehwe ni sokura.
Did you use all the contemporary I left yesterday?
Oh, yes. But I forgot to bring some home. But don't worry. I'll get some for you right at the corner.
Okay, then. Don't keep long. The food is almost ready.
I'll be right back.
Mosila. I just see Mama Mosila no want the babe. I just see Mama the one who love actually boy. I just see Mama the one who I just see Mama the one who actually boy. Mosila no want the babe. That is what he wanted. That is what he wanted. But the is now dead. It is finished. Why don't you organize a carnival and celebrate? I thought you cut him up and eat him. Hey! Why are there? Why are there? Why are there? You greedy animal! You greedy animal! I just hear me. Who know who pa? First I see the suit. I just hear my suit. Na fakwa samado. First I see the suit. Na fakwa samado. Bastard!
Hey, young woman! Mind how you talk to me. Else what?
Else what? Else what? I'm not afraid of you anymore. After all, the worst thing you can do is to kill me. So kill me, I just never. Kill me, I just never. Kill me. You. Kill me. If you are a man, kill me. Don't go ahead. I had behind some juju.
Hey.
Go ahead.
Hey. Come in. Come on. Drive her out of this place. I say drive her out of this place.
Vamos.
Vamos. Huh?
I will go. I know my way out. I'll go for you people to live and eat. I'll try that one. If you hear me, all I need is justice. Bring judgment swiftly to the power who cut short my husband's life. Bring justice to those whom justice is denied. Oh God. Try that one. Hear my prayer.
Get out of this. Shut up. Hey, keep quiet. Me bastard. Don't see.
I'm on my Jewa, and then the Jewa, yeah. What do you want? I don't know, Maria Manabo. You are a God of justice. Oh, Johnny, your man cried out to you. Somebody has called your bed a pen without justification. Hey, you are a God of justice. Nana. Yeah. I sit there naked for you to show I have nothing. Nothing to hide. Yeah. Another Maria. I tried to have a me semunie. It be a shame. And I'm a bomb treason. And I'm a bomb to us. I don't know. Miss me pray. I would have cried. Miss Jojo. Then mom, send me free way. Send free the crowd. That's a be. Obi na sada kumi kruya. Dapa, why would you pass some? Miss Samani Pakrona de ma. And I'm in the background the show. Miss Sally Pakrona can't see how the man was at this one. And I see how the background of me.
punishment of treading upon Kwame. Those who draw sword die by the sword. Hey! Hey! The pain with which the curse was pronounced was too much. Therefore, the gods cannot assist him.
Did you get some of the steps?
Yes, Mama.
Give them to me.
Yeah, proper than crowd of rain. Sikana, asasiana, ahunyana, wenina, seyewa, yanfanko. Yanko sewa, nyate mama wena, wabewa. Father, fehumobor, nyate mama wena, wabewa. Nebesi wiye, yeah, proper than. Yeah, proper than crowd of rain. Sikana, asasiana, ahunyana, wenina, seyewa.
Your father's sickness looks too serious than I thought.
Hey, Kofi, I pray that some miracles will happen.
Oh. Cheer up, okay? Everything will be okay.
Assemble Debbie. Assemble Debbie, oh. Assemble Kesiaba Frank Kesiso. Yeah, proper day. Yeah, proper day, crowd of rain. Sikana, asasiana, ahunyana, wenina, seyewa, yanfanko.
I'm a tutor.
Also, forget for some woman. Some many. Or don't see me one year free. Me 1 year free. Won't see me not so full free. Me not so full free. Nan so me more cry. Yo, and you're a bit shine. You're a bit shine. And now you're a bit shine. You're a bit shine. You're a bit shine. You're a bit shine. See, you're a bit shine. Where's that man? No. Oh, man, shiny. You like. I hear the man is alive, but the king. What pro? What cheer? What has young tried?
Who are you talking about?
Oh, yeah. What's the homo?
So come on, say. Because I'm in chair.
That flesh and wicked salmon. It will go forever. Now come and fight for land again. He wanted to say what has happened to him. Tabitakum will be watching what I am. Yes, you think I saw for the brand. Yo, hush. I'm not son of a bahano. Monsieur, you're big shine. You're very poor. You're big shine.
That's what you're doing.
Oh,
pretty just tell me much.
Oh, don't see me 1 year free. Me 1 year free. Oh, see me not so so me won't cry. And the make time, me for me. What's your man? What's your man away? What's your man? Me see cash in my diapa. Me assassin swap. Me see my pa. Alright. What's your man? Or not the whole. Mama queen. What's your man? Me see assassin of me the best round neck. I have one. What's your man? Oh, what's your man? What's your man? One of the whole. You thought you could live forever. Or cheer, one of the whole. Me and that, make up from Maya. Honorable of Maya. Me say, my pa, me look at you. Assassin about the end of the black green, I'm the best one. The best one. Only the best one. What's the money? What's in no way? Oh, my son, when I'm a fast as a swan. What? Cut down what you say. What does a snap at you to check? What's ya? Sabita, who pass on the black? Miss up, I'm a tote. What's ya? What's your mom to do? Alright, oh, Tabita Siama. Oh, can. When you say cemetery, hey, Bravo. Not the Samson. What's it? Make up from Maya. And not the Samson. What's your issue? A small money, maybe what? Give me my shoe. Enterprise. What is that? Aponcha, you were.
Me pro, what is running?
What's my name? Who breaks in the mountain? Who breaks in the mountain?
What I mean? You can't free up around.
Miss Show.
If you can't free up,
so number 1 point.
Who will not be kind?
Me, phobia assassin. Woman, me, oh, no, what me, no, everything. What from what woman?
See if you have one.
No, me, last warning. Woman, na prom set your tray. Obey a leg. Me so.
What is
what you now? Dallasum, me, Copmaya, Shobo, Tapitakum, warrior, or Portland. It's Suana. What's that? Woman, Mina, Papa said, yes, so you know. I did open Papa, no, say we. No, move out everything. Move out everything.
Aja. Asembe badebi. Kwame. Asembe badebi Asembe tiba fanga siso. Aja. Yeah, proper day. Yeah, proper day. Proper rain. Sikana. Asasiana. Ahunyana. Rainina siwa. Yanfanko.
Papa. I'm dead.
Father,
Nyamiche, have you heard? They say the marriage ceremony between Esiedu and Brago was just superb. Yakeka.
Mani brio mawadi yo.
Kane Cambodia.
Baby ni ate hu ni ase awadi. I wish them well. They are really going to enjoy themselves. Unlike others who can't perform in bed but still go out hunting for more.
Kanaka biem. Kwa kanso atwediation to me.
Ata, yebetu yangufu. We are going to advise ourselves. We can't continue to live like slaves. All we hear is, Ata, do this for me. Nyamicha, do this for me. Says your man, Medrian and crying in chilling. And no one crying. And no more death. And after all, there is no performance.
Oh, performance the other performance as a boy. A whoop could do talk. A whoop. A bobo could do. Yebetu yangufu. Yeah, that's right.
Mo kasa se obi a ya de kresi e bi agu ni tiri na akwata ni tiri mu na ejire ni mo na me na sai mo yo obi a mo ho bai makona ma me no ada mo sori a no pe ya mo sori ye adware mo nware ko ba be se no miensa mo nware mo ho afiafi mo ho ajenka mo twa obi ho a na wasa na hwene na mo ba ka kire me se me no mo ntimi no na hwa anema mo bua no be se bo so me miensa ni e bia mo di se nsuo nya nsuo to be se na otwini nema na afa na mo usie no pali bo ya me ka tia aye o ntimi ya nya yi he mo konne me nya foforo ati amu jo sa mu fa so se ayo sisi bisi bi se ni fakadan fo to mago ma ya hu kadamu ni ade ye nware ni ya hu nya ko ye po na ya na me di mo nkwai di ana me bo from ya direct na me bo se ye mo na peto amu kwari ko ya bo se ma hu ya me se bi ya ma ti nya ware mo no kwari
awade de yet bi hu Pastor na heto pa pastor. How one go? Hey. Hey, can you? Abe. No. Abe. So is it true that Chewa plays a case on it against Yama? That's why he died. Yes. But don't you know Yama killed Kudra with Juju? That is why the case was them together. It is rumored that Guatemala, his wife, is also dying from the same disease. No. Oh, where did you hear this? It is rumored in the town. Yes. Some sound so young. You don't believe me. When it's the case, the sun will surely come out. You will see. So you'll be banana. So good, so sad. What you would tie didn't feel her crown. And you when you're so I can tell you. Hey, you're going in everything.
You know you are my only this that is happening was brought upon us by your father and his wicked ways. Be content of what you have. Don't go fighting for things that are not yours. I wish you God's blessing.
Should I bring you some water?
Take care of yourself.
Should I?
Mommy. 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 I'm dead. Oh, God. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. I'm dead. Oh. Mommy. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. I can't oh God, I can't oh. Dear God, God. God, the master, God. Oh, God. What am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? I'm doomed.
Kwame. Oh, Kwame. What happened to you?
Oh, Kwame. Kofi.
Kwame.
I'm dying. It is the curse placed on us by Jehovah. It's irreversible. I will surely die.
No, Kwame, don't say that. I will take you to the shrine to see if the gods will be merciful. After all, you did not commit any crime. Brago, please take care of him as I get out so that we can get help from outside. Take him to the shrine, please. Please, Kwame, I'll be back, okay? Please, take it.
You'll be alright, okay? Give me some water to drink. Sorry. Sorry.
Almighty God, your subjects have come before you because my friend here, Kwamiti, has fallen into a calamity. Nana, we need your help before doom spells on him.
empty ghetto that not spit on the ground and lift it back to stand. Your friend is dying to appease the injustice done Chiwa. She's grieved and her heart is bleeding.
Nana, we are here not to plead innocence. We are here because we believe that there is no puzzle that the Great One cannot solve. And since good objects do not cast straight shadows, Nana, come for your wise counsel.
You have spoken well, my son. If a child learns to wash his hand well, he dines with the adults. Now, listen to me. There is a life-giving plant beyond Udumasi Forbidden Forest, at the top of the Suana Mountain. If you can get a leaf from the plant, your friend will live. But let me warn you, many have tried, but did not succeed. You may go.
Thank you, Nana.
So, what should we do now?
I don't know. You know, nobody goes to the Odumasi forest and comes back alive. So I wonder how we are going to get the leaf.
That's my only chance. Considering how weak I am. I wonder if I can make halfway through. I have to try. At least it's better than lying at one place and waiting for death.
Maybe I should go.
Kofi, no. That is out of the question. If I should die, you must live to tell the story. But if you go and die, we all die. You just got married. Please, enjoy your marriage.
No, Kwame. What are friends for? You are my best friend. You cannot make it. I'm strong, Kwame. And my chance of getting the leave is higher. I am sure I can make it. Are you sure? Trust me.
Are you very sure?
Trust me.
Kofi, I will never forget this.
So, father, mother, and brother, I have decided to dare the Odumase forest to save my friend.
Kofi, I am proud of your bravery. But you need to think again. You just got married. Your aunt and I have nobody except you. And nobody had ever survived with Mate Forest. Do you think Kwamiji is worth dying for?
Ofa, it is true that nobody has made it alive, but I am determined to be the first.
Well, if I can convince you to back off, then I have to pray for you.
Hey, Kofi Asiedu. Akoda so opade kokwa ehuna. Yetu da mama ha kire no. Folasi, obi enkomu na wokomu.
Well,
Do you know after what man's death, Ominti is also show signs of the same disease that killed the parents? Whoa, Granobe,
I told you, it is not for nothing. Jill West's case is really working on them.
I just say I thought he was immortal. Huh? Killing people indiscriminately. It is not their turn. Huh? Nobody will grow past the rock. Or that's why you're born.
But you know, at least, Kwamenti should have been spared.
Hey, Nyameche, one no peri. I'm not afraid of Gato. Who's your wrong? If Gato wants them dead, who are you to counter judge him? Me them is true no. Mama, why? Who they fast and be Abraham?
Kwamenti, I wish you could be spared.
Hey, now why just attach it?
Yes.
I have prayed the 40 cursing rites. You have the blessing of the gods. Remember, your heart condition is very important. If you have nothing to hide, you have nothing to fear. Go and come back, my son.
Good luck. May the ghosts of our sisters guide you. Thank you.
Yapra-pedeng corroborate. Sikana, asasiana, ahunyana, wengina seyewa, yanfanko.